Hey there, future GRE conquerors! Welcome back to another episode of Mastering GRE Vocabulary. Today, we have an exciting word that could be the key to boosting your score. Today, I'm diving into a word that might just give you the edge you need on test day. This word is not only interesting but also quite useful in various contexts. The word of the day is abscond. Ever heard of it? It's one of those words that can really make your writing stand out. No worries if you haven't. It's not a word you come across every day, but that's what makes it special. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means, but also how to use it like a pro. Trust me, you'll be impressing your peers and examiners alike. So, let's break it down. Understanding the roots and usage of a word can make it easier to remember. Abscond is a verb and it means to leave hurriedly and secretly, typically to avoid detection or arrest. It's often used in contexts involving escape or evasion. Imagine a thief who just pulled off a heist. What does he do? He doesn't stick around to get caught. He absconds with the loot. Simple, right? This vivid imagery can help you remember the word better. Now, why is this important for the GRE? You might wonder why such a specific word is relevant. Well, the GRE loves to test your vocabulary. It's a crucial part of the verbal section, and knowing a wide range of words can give you a significant advantage. It's not just about knowing the words, but understanding how to use them in context. This is where many students struggle, but with practice, you can master it. The word abscond could pop up in a reading comprehension passage, or you might need to use it in your writing. Being prepared for such scenarios is key. Knowing words like these can make a huge difference in your score. Here's an example sentence to illustrate its use. After the scandal broke, the CEO decided to abscond to a remote island. This sentence not only uses the word correctly but also adds depth to the narrative. See how it adds a layer of sophistication to the sentence? Instead of just saying the CEO fled, abscond paints a more vivid picture. Instead of just saying the CEO fled, abscond paints a more vivid picture. It conveys a sense of urgency and secrecy that the word fled does not. So how do you make sure you remember this word? Repetition and active usage are key. Flashcards are your best friend. They are a tried and true method for memorizing vocabulary. Write the word on one side and the definition on the other. This simple technique can greatly enhance your retention. Use it in your daily conversations or journal entries. The more you use it, the more natural it will feel. The more you use it, the better you'll remember it. Try to incorporate it into your speech and writing as much as possible. Let's do a quick recap. Repetition is the mother of learning after all. Abscond means to leave hurriedly and secretly, usually to avoid detection. It's a powerful word that can add depth to your writing. It's crucial for the GRE because it tests not only your vocabulary, but also your ability to use words in context. This dual focus is what makes the GRE challenging. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Alright, that's it for today's word. I hope you found this session helpful and engaging. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more GRE tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content for you. Keep studying hard and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, consistency is key to mastering the GRE. Until then, don't abscond from your study sessions. Take care and happy studying.